In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer crypto from Mexc to Binance Exchange. Whether you're consolidating your investments or testing out new trading platforms, making a transfer between these two popular exchanges is a straightforward task when you know what to do. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step. First, what you'll want to do is open up your Mexc account. Have your credentials handy and log into the platform. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet. This is where all your assets on the Mexc platform are stored. Here, you'll see a list of the cryptocurrencies you own. Find the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer to Binance. For example, suppose you wish to move Bitcoin. Simply type Bitcoin in the search bar to locate it quickly. Once you find it, click on the Bitcoin entry, which will open up options for that particular asset. Next, you need to generate a receiving address from your Binance account to which you'll send the cryptocurrency from Mexc. Log into Binance and head directly to your wallet dashboard. Go to Fiat and Spot and find Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency you're transferring. Once there, click the deposit option. Doing this will prompt Binance to give you a deposit address for that cryptocurrency. Copy this address carefully. This string of letters and numbers is crucial because it's the destination of your funds. Now, let's move back to Mexc. You'll be using the wallet section where you previously located your Bitcoin. Look for the withdraw option. Selecting it will typically bring up a form where you can input details for your transfer. Paste the address you just copied from Binance into the specified field. It's absolutely vital that this address is correct, so double-check it to prevent any mishaps. Even one wrong character could mean your funds are sent to the wrong place and possibly lost. Also, during this stage, you might need to specify how much of your asset you want to transfer and verify any mandatory transaction fees. Enabling security features like two-factor authentication is always a good practice to ensure the safety of your funds. Once you've reviewed everything, hit the Submit or Withdraw button to start the transfer process. Be patient, as blockchain transactions may take a while to complete, depending on network congestion. You can monitor the transaction status on both Mexc and Binance to ensure everything proceeds smoothly. And that wraps it up. Now, you know how to efficiently transfer your crypto from Mexc to Binance, and you can apply this technique whenever you decide to reorganize or diversify your crypto portfolio. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips and tutorials.